All right, how's it going, traders? Welcome to another crypto emergency meeting. Where are we? So this is where we are. This level right here is currently holding us, and it's not very strong, but it's been doing its job. We broke on this level, came down here, and now it looks like we're going to be in the range for some time. We're currently stuck in between these zones. Let me show you the zones real quick. So this is what I mean. Here, we're stuck here, and for the time being we're going to be playing a ping pong. So once we are here, anywhere around this zone, we're looking for buys. And if we come here, anywhere around here, and we see what we want to see, we'll be looking for shorts. That's how to play this market. The market is trying to get you confused, but you have to stay sane and take advantage of it. You don't want to deal in the middle here. If you're here, you don't want to do nothing, because if you do, you're gonna lose. All right, so if you're finding value, guys, do me one favor: like that button, take out your big thumb and smooch that like button, guys. If you look at the banter bubbles, you'll see that it's currently confused. On the daily time frame, it looks green, like the market is pumping. Some are also red. On the 1 hour time frame, we have more reds, signifying that the market is currently going down. And to me, I see an opportunity to long. Remember, I said the trend is bearish in my last video, and your major trades, your power trades, should be shorts. Here's what I mean. We had an elevator down, we had all of these stairs up, which was a bearish flag. What do? You wait for the elevator. You could have taken longs here, but they're stressful longs, carp long, not really worth it. What you want to do is wait for the trend to show up properly and trade with the flow. So the trend is bearish, and then we had this massive sell-off to the downside. And right now, the market is trying to have another elevator. So we're beginning to have all of these push-ups, and someday he's gonna do this. And what are you gonna do? You're gonna short elevator down, and that's exactly what I'm waiting for. The elevator down. Secondly, market always retraces 50% to the 0.5 level or the 0.61 level. Here's what I mean. Let me clear this all out. So if you take your fib tool, if I take my fib tool and I move from here, swing high to swing low, what do you see? That the market came back to this region, the 0.5, the 0.618 level, before it continued to move downwards. Usually called the golden level. And again, when we had this sell-off, what are you gonna do? You don't want to be selling here. If you're selling here, you're wrong. You're selling at a major support. So what you want to do is take out your fib, pull it out, and wait for the market to retrace back to the 0.5, the 0.618 level. And when it's here, you're gonna short. That's what I mean. And another reason why this level is gonna hold is because we have a daily order block here. This level where I marked out is a daily order block. So right now, for the trades of this week, there's gonna be scalp long trades, but the major trade you want to look out for is the short trade when we come here. When we come here at this level, that is marked out, because it coincides with the trend, it coincides with the fib level, and it's also going to be an elevator down, which gives you the best trade. The elevator trades gives you the best trade. The stairs are usually stressful, they wiggle a lot. You have to go to the lower time frames and all that to really get the best entries, but the elevator trades are easier. So what am I saying? I'm saying I'm going to be longing this market. I already took some longs, took out the profit. I took some longs here. I took some other longs here. This little pump. So I took out the profits already and I'm completely out. But I'm still going to take another long, especially when I see a 1 hour market structure shift here. So here's what I mean. We might come down a little bit and do this. I'm going to long. Because I know if we do this, we're going to do this and come here. Or we might come down to this level here again. So we'll do this, come down here and do this. So those are the long trades I'm going to be taking. They're going to be short-term trades, long. All preparing for the major trade, which is going to be a short when we get here. I hope you get the gist. Short-term trades were long. The risk to reward is great, so why not take them? But the overall best weekly trade is going to be a short. Do you get what I mean? Alright, so let's go into some of the coins we're going to be looking at. AIXBT. This guy is very volatile. I took 2 long trades. I'm out of both now, but I still see an opportunity to long it again. Already it's showing sign of strength. One of the strongest coins right now. And it's moving really fast. Another one is Tau. Tau is also very strong, very volatile. You really need to understand price action to be able to trade Tau. 1 minute is up, another minute is down. H-bar. Not so good for a long. Not so good. He already made his rally, came down, looking bearish right now. For this guy to be pretty good for a long, we have to see it come here at least. But majorly come here. Otherwise, it's just going to come back here and do this. Which is more like a big double top on the 1 hour time frame. So I do not recommend longing this guy, even if we see that market structure shifts on BTC on the 1 hour time frame. Uni also not looking good. Price action is sloppy. You don't want to trade this. Solana, I took a long on this guy, but it didn't go my way, and it's looking all bearish right now. So basically the 2 trades I'm going to recommend is AIXBT and Tau. They are the strongest at the moment, and they would give you a better trade setup for a long short-time trade than any other. But remember, if you don't want to take those longs, it's better you wait for the shorts when we get here. When we get any level from here, or when we get here, you want to be ready to pull the trigger on the shorts here. All of these regions from the $72,000 mark to the $78,000 mark, or even the $80,000 mark, we are going to be looking for shorts. Remember, 1 hour time frame confirmation for your entry. So that's about it, guys. Please do well to like this video and come back next week for another crypto emergency meeting, and I'll see you there.